To change wallpaper on a Nothing phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Customization. Now in here, as you can see, we have a couple of example wallpapers that we can of course use on our phone. If you tap on any of them, then we have the preview. You should be able to pinch and then zoom in and zoom out, and also move with your finger around in order to adjust the position of the wallpaper. You can also toggle scrolling, and once you set up the wallpaper, you can tap on this check in the upper right corner. You can also decide if the wallpaper should be applied on the lock screen or home screen, or both. There's also the atmosphere option that we can toggle, and the glass effect. And of course we can tap on Done in the upper right corner in order to update the wallpaper. Besides that, we can tap on more wallpapers in here in order to find additional options that you might want to use on your phone. You can also tap on more in here to find more Nothing wallpapers. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.